What's up, y'all? Your boy David from Gnomes is back with another hot unboxing video. It's been a few years. I have been working on some other side projects at Gnomes, and I haven't had an opportunity to really do a good unboxing video for you guys. I know there's a lot of fans out there who are follow us closely, follow the Gnomes blog and website, and so I'm really excited today. Here we have a new Galaxy S21 Samsung phone. It's a cellular phone. If you all don't know the same cell phones, so they're hot. It's a smartphone, I should say. So I'm going to open up this beautiful phone. Here's a box. It's exciting. So I'm very carefully opening this because, you know, the moment of truth. So, wow. Samsung, it says it right there. Gnomes, you know, we haven't actually reviewed a new phone since I previously got the S8. So it's been a hot minute, as the kids say, a minute. So, let me power this beautiful phone up. I didn't know how. Didn't know. No one told me. What? No, you can see my reflection. Two smiling Davids. So while this powers up, let's see what else is in the box, which is the most exciting part of an unboxing video. Ooh, 5G. 5G, the future. Check that hotness out. A few legal items to review. As you all know, I do bird law in addition to running the Gnomes group. So this is hot. So look at that beautiful screen, 120 hertz refresh rate, 3 cameras, ultra wide, ultra wide, and ultra wide. So that's just wide. You can't take any close photos. It's crazy. That's my understanding. I haven't used it yet. Let's see what else is in this box. Ooh. Beautiful. I don't know what that is. Huh. AT&T? Yes. Some kind of cable. Don't fully understand. Yeah, and that's it. Well, so I'm really excited to start using this phone, you know, to see what it's all about. It looks a little bit bigger than my current phone. Gorgeous screen. I can already tell it's gonna be awesome. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Again, our website is www.techgnomes.ru.atx. Amazon Web Services kicked us off like Parler. So now we gotta have this Russian-based and web providing service. So, anyways, y'all, hope you have a great day. Check out the website. Peace.